How to remove credit card from Roblox. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. Let's start off by launching our Roblox application in our device. If you have not installed your Roblox app, fear not, you can easily do this method from your Roblox website. Just launch a preferred browser and search for roblox.com. Make sure that you are logged in into your Roblox account. For the starter, you need to click on the More button that is available in your left-hand corner. Tap on it. From here, head over to Settings option. With the list of options, tap on Payment Method. In the Payment section, you can find your currently added payment method or your credit card. To remove it, just tap on the Edit or Remove button. Now to add a new one, you can easily select on the Add button that is given to you. Now just enter the card number, expiration date, your security code, billing email, and billing address. By this way, you'll be able to remove the old one, then add on to a new one. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.